Remember little Timmy from kindergarten? He was so smart that when you went to first grade, he went to second. Well, guess what? Just like Timmy, we're smart too, and we're skipping a few levels because I present to you the 2020 Tucson Sport. Let's talk about it. What is up, guys? It's Miguel, your car guy, and today, yes, we are talking about the 2020 Tucson Sport, and I've been selling the crap out of Tucsons. As a matter of fact, yesterday I sold two, one new, one pre-owned. So Guillermo, I appreciate you, and Wagner, welcome to the Hyundai family again, because yes, that was his second Hyundai, so appreciate it, boy. But this thing is super cool, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you a few things. So let's go. Here's a quick little crash course in Hyundai training brought to you by Miguel, your car guy. Now, let's say you have an entire row of Tucsons to choose from, but you are looking for a sport. One of the easiest ways to find the sports is that you have these lights. Now, you do have projector beams in the lower models, but as you see very clearly here, these have multiple projectors, it looks like, so that is very different. And unlike the other ones, you will not confuse the front end because the sports and the limiteds are the only packages to bring these fog lights down here. Now, I already told you you're looking for a sport. You don't want to find a limited. So, how do you distinguish that from a quick glance? Well, come over here to the side. Let me show you. It's the rims, baby. The Tucson Sport is the only Tucson to bring those style of wheels, which looks really nice. Now, as the children say, don't get it twisted. I made that joke before. But the rims on the Sport, in my opinion, look much nicer than the rims on the Limited. I might be wrong, I might be right, but guess what? In my channel, I'm always right, baby. So those rims are magnificent and I love them. You should too. And for you Eagle Eye viewers out there, yes, you saw right. This thing actually brings Michelin tires, which, as you know, are very good quality stuff. Does Honda have it? I don't know. Does Toyota have it? I don't know. But I do know that the Tucson Sport has it, and that is amazing. Now, something I know that they don't have is the warranty. You have 10 years or 100,000 miles worth of powertrain coverage, 5 years or 60,000 miles worth of bumper-to-bumper coverage, and 5 years of unlimited miles of roadside assistance. It's like AAA, except you don't have to pay for it. And starting yesterday, February 1st, 2020, Hyundai actually gives you 3 years and 36,000 miles worth of complimentary maintenance. So oil changes, tire rotations, and multi-point inspections are free for 3 years, 36,000 miles. So again, Hyundai's ahead of the game, baby, and they are really killing it. I love it. And being that it's a sport, I have to mention the engine. You do have a 2.4 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder producing 181 horsepower. And don't fret, my pet, guess what? You're still getting 22 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway. And I have it on very good authority to say that if you drive regular, you will probably be getting even better gas mileage than that. So yeah, ask your friend who owns a Hyundai. They are getting great gas mileage, and the Tucson is the same way. So go figure. And now we get to that beautiful back end. It's like watching J-Lo spot Rihanna doing squats. So nice. But have you ever wondered, can that thing open up with the little kicky leg thing that you got to do? Well, yes and no. I say that because Hyundai has created a much smarter way to do it, and let me show you what that is. This next feature is called Smart Liftgate. Why? Because all you got to do is lock the car when you're going inside of a building. That way the car can get ready by the time you come back. And like I said, you don't have to do the hokey pokey to do it, because once it is set, all you have to do with the little key is just get within about a meter of the back bumper. That is it. Just listen, beeping, and this is all you got to do. All you got to do is stand. Make sure you don't get hit by the tailgate. That's it, literally. You don't have to dance, you don't have to do the hokey pokey. You don't have to find the right spot, because the right spot has found you. As long as you have your key and the smart liftgate is enabled, it will open up electronically. So that is another smart thing that Hyundai is doing for you to make your life that much sweeter. Yes. you're welcome. And now with the gate open, you can actually see you have a massive amount of room in this compact SUV. This thing is amazing, and you have 31 cubic feet of the stuff with the seats up. But when you fold the seats down, you actually have nearly 62 square feet of cargo room, and that really does make a difference when you're doing the daily life stuff. Oh, and this isn't new or exclusive to the Sport, but I figured I'd mention it anyway. If you are considering the Tucson and you like the space, you are going to love the underfloor storage, because if you need to, you could actually lower the floor down and gain an extra 3 inches of room. So that is amazing, and that really will make the difference when you're taking a lot of stuff with you on the long haul or on Christmas. So yes, definitely put the Tucson on your list if you are trying to buy a compact SUV. And you should come and see me if you're in Orlando. Miguel, your car guy, here at Universal Hyundai. I would love to sell you this car, but if you can't buy this car, it is okay. Subscribe, leave a like, leave some comments. What other videos do you want to see? But let's go ahead and get back on the inside. Let's go. And now that we're here on the inside of the car, I figured I'd show you how nice it actually is. And I really love the small touch of the carbon fiber looking trim here on the dash. It really does make the entire car stand out in this modern era. And now, being that we are in the modern era, I'd show you a few exclusives that the Tucson Sport brings. So first up is the steering wheel. Now, all the Tucsons have steering wheels, but the Tucson Sport is the first level that brings the leather wrapped steering wheel, which looks nice and feels even better. So if you happen to be bringing it around town, you will go ahead and experience the luxury that the Tucson Sport can bring. And just like SpongeBob said, I'm ready. Now, not only is your car luxurious, it is also techy, because the Tucson Sport is the first level of Tucson that brings the wireless charging pad. So if your phone is low on juice and it can charge wirelessly, just put it right here on the charging pad and it will start to charge. No cables required. Like I said, the Tucson Sport, smart, just like little Timmy. And another upgraded feature that you do get in the Tucson Sport, the first level you can get this one on, is the auto dimming rear view mirror. I love it. So if you're driving at night and hate those bright lights behind you, the Tucson Sport might be the one for you, because the rear view mirror will automatically dim so it doesn't go ahead and blind your eyes, which I really, really love, being that my car can't do that. So yeah, if you're looking for that, Tucson Sport, baby, all the way. Oh, and my favorite thing, I can't even really show you, it is the Infinity surround sound speakers. The Tucson Sport is the first one to bring the surround sound in the car, and that is very, very wonderful. And if you're wondering why I can't show you, it's because I don't want to get demonetized on YouTube, because I'm just starting. So please subscribe to me, please subscribe to me. But seriously, the sound system in this thing is amazing. It really is. And so guys, this has been the 2020 Hyundai Tucson Sport. And no, I didn't tell you about every single little bitty detail on this car, because it would literally take too long, and I am way too fun to be boring. But if you have any questions and you're in Orlando, come see me at Universal Hyundai. It is Miguel, your car guy, and I would love to sell you a car. But again, if you can't buy a car from me, hit subscribe, hit a like, leave a comment. What else do you want to see on my channel, guys? But until next time, guys, I'm Miguel, your car guy, and I will see you soon. Do you remember Timmy from high school? High school. Look at it. You have the carbon fiber looking Puerto Rican, I can't stop yelling. It always beeps when it's running, and I have the key on me. I guess it's good, but it's annoying. It's good though, but annoying.